Today we will be testing a 15-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 307 different strategies, with 96 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 201 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,014 indicators, with 423 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says, Miracle Strategy Most Accurate 5-Minute Scalping. And so, of course, we're going to put that to the test, but I can tell you right offhand that on the 5-minute time frame, this strategy did not do very well at all. I was having a lot of issues getting it to even be remotely profitable. And so, to give it a little bit of a better chance, I played around with a few different time frames and found that the 15-minute seemed to give it the best chance of being profitable. And so, with that being said, let's go ahead and hide these two indicators here. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the super trended RSI. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And jump into the settings, and under the inputs, you're going to change the RSI to the RSI length to 100, the RSI smoothing, change that to 34, and the moving average length, change that to 34, and the factor, change that to 2, and the ATR length, you're going to change that to 14. Jump into the style, and you will turn off the overbought, oversold, and the RSI MA right there. Click OK, and the next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the one-sided Gaussian filter with channels. This one right here. Again, click on that, add it to the screen, and jump into the settings of this one as well. Under the inputs, the Gaussian levels depth, change that to 30. The extra smoothing, change that to 15. The ATR period, change that to 14, and click OK. Everything should look as I have on screen now. So what we are looking for is the super trended RSI to be either green or red. In this case, it's red. We're looking for a short trade. So what we're looking for is then the one-sided Gaussian filter. We'll just call it the one-sided indicator, because Gaussian is a little bit challenging to say. And so we'll look for the one-sided filter here to pull back and give us a sell tag like this right here. And when it does that, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. I'm going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right at this upper dashed line right there. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see within just a couple bars we come down and get to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for, again, is we look to the super trended RSI and we want it to be green. You can see that it just switched over to green right here on this bar. And at the same time, we got a long signal from the one-sided filter. It's kind of hard to see the yellow on the light background, but there's a little yellow L and arrow pointing up right there. That'll be the signal to enter into a long. Again, we'll put our trade right there, and again we'll put our stop this time at the lower dashed line right here, and then we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And this one takes just a little bit longer, but we eventually stair step our way up there, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 21 winning trades and 29 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 42% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $11,600 for an overall gain of $1,000 altogether. So not horrible, and again, really only worked on the 15-minute time frame. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, did 56 trades altogether. We had 43 winning trades and 13 losing trades, putting it at a 76% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $25,800. On the losing side, you'd have lost $15,600 for an overall gain of $10,200 altogether. So significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below for only $19. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator. On these 4 Forex pairs, and this one crypto coin, this is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. So this last week on the Forex pairs, we did 8 trades altogether. We had 2 winning, 6 losing. That puts us at a 25% win rate. Would have been a drawdown of $3,960. On the crypto coin, we had 4 trades, 2 winning, 2 losing. A 50% win rate would have been a drawdown of $520. For the week, we would have been down $4,480 at the 33-week total. Now we would have been up $44,610 over 260 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. So a little bit of a drawdown for the week, but that's just how trading is. You have good weeks and bad weeks, and it will definitely recover, as you can see it has many times before. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list and move on to the next video from here.